Okay, so Ford invited me out to check out the Escape 2020. I didn't know what would be here as far as how to check it out, or is it going to be a press event and you just see the car, or I wasn't even sure if I'll be making a video, to be quite honest. But they really surprised me with what they had. They put a lot of thought in planning into this, so I wanted to make a video after seeing it. So first of all, it was at the historic Greenfield Village right outside of Detroit, my hometown, a very short drive, and also they had every version of the Escape there. It was super cool to see the evolution of the car from the first generation till now. So the way the event worked, they actually had us come outside and sit on the stage to go over the car and unveil it, but it was actually a performance. And then, well, I'm actually going to play the whole performance without editing anything. But anyways, enjoy the performance, and then after that, we'll take a deep dive into the car.
Turn the record up, keep it on repeat. We go from day to night, take a ride. As the world wakes up, feel the energy. All the city lights, electricity. Pulse is rising, heat is on. Don't think twice, turn it around. Gotta take your chances. Stop the car.
Wow, that was pretty crazy. But let's start with the front of the car. As you can see, it's a completely new car, a new design. It built from the ground up. So it's called an Escape, but it's safe to say it's not like Escapes that are rolling in the street right now. Now, some of the design things that I really dig is the lower front end, which actually looks more car-like than SUV. But the badge sits up higher and it gives you this little nose design. And to me, I think it looks sleeker and slimmer, and it looks like a mix between Mazda and Porsche. But this is the most aerodynamic Escape that has been made yet. It's just a really good looking car, really nice, and the video makes it look like a lot smaller than what it is, but it looks like a decent sized SUV. Now, side profile is very subtle with a profile line going from the side grills all the way through the handles to the back tail light. Now, the back takes on a whole new look too. It's a bit more upright and the tails are pretty nice looking too. Also, with the higher trims, the headlights are a little bit different and they have these fog lights too. If you don't have the higher trim, then you get standard headlights with no fog lights. Actually like not having fog lights. The blacked out look to me actually looks pretty cool. Now, the 2020 has two hybrids giving you more than 550 miles between gas and electric, and the plug-in hybrid gives you 30 plus miles on a pure electric charge. Inside the car, and there's some really decent tech in there. I was actually impressed. So you have a 6-inch heads-up display that sits on your windshield so you can see information like your speed, and then you have a 12-inch digital display, 100% digital, and you also have an 8-inch infotainment system, and then you also have some safety features too. So you have that active park assist 2.0 and evasive steering assist. With Active Park 2.0, it gives you one-touch parking and parallel parking. You push a button and the car just parks for you. Really cool to see. There's also that Ford Copilot 360, and it makes it available for other driver assist features like adaptive cruise control with stop and go and lane centering. Now, one of the big things they talked about was cargo, improved cargo space up to 37.5 cubic feet, which can fit a large dog crate. Also, Ford mentioned it can fit 4 golfers and 4 golf bags, and that is near and dear to my heart. But I wonder if it can fit my 45 handicap too. Anyways guys, this car will be in the showrooms this fall, and the plug-in hybrid units will arrive next spring in 2020. Anyways guys, Kevin the Tech Ninja. If you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.